Hey everyone, we're going to see if we can make this video and actually post it on YouTube. Leave it to me. I started to undo this or open it from the bottom. I thought, no, I want to keep the box in case I have to send it back, or it's a nice box to put your thing in here. Anyway, this is a vacuum sealer. Comes with 10 bags. Vacuum hose. Model V8111. Full spectrum vacuum sealer system for food preservation. Full automatic touch controls. Vacuum pressure 0.65 to 0.95 kPa. Okay, it comes with your instructions here. Comes with your hose with some attachments you can use for different bottles. Important tips. Protective foil above, it says protective foil above the button, tear off before use. Restart the machine by pressing stop button. Insert vacuum bag till end. Then start vacuum sealing. Remove the front cover for cleaning by pulling out the button. External vac. Start external vacuum sucking. Vac long press to start manual vacuum sucking. Seal for sealing bag only. Dry. Start vacuum sealing for dry food. Moist. Start vacuum sealing for moist food. And stop to stop the machine immediately. And the other side says the same thing. So we can put this aside, and there's the 10 bags. Let's see. Okay. The lid is in there tight. With two foam edges there. And we can put this over there for a bit. And I think this is a foil it's talking about. Well, let's plug it in first and see which side's up and which side's down. Shall we? Sounds like a good idea to me. Okay. I think this is the button it was talking about. Yeah, if y'all can see that. That is so you can clean it. Interesting. Well, let's take this, what they call foil, off. Why does everybody like to do that? I like to do that too. Okay. Uh-oh. I guess I probably should have done that with it turned off. Or unplugged. Let's try that. We'll see. Here we go. Because I need to get the chicken vacuum sealed. Today is 12/21. Okay. Big old thick chicken breast. It's supposed to just slide in there. From what I watched the video on it, and moist. And it says when it spits it out or something, maybe it's done. What does that say? Seal? I guess it is. And it is sealed. Hot dog. We're going to do another one just to make sure that I don't have anything dry. And it says it'll do 2 bags at once too, according to the video. Let's just see if it'll pop out. I guess it did. How about that? And it sealed it. Yes, it did. And I think I read where it's got a 1-year warranty on it. and you can get the extended warranty, which I did. So this one is not as dangerous as some others, and it looks like your kids could help you with this. Teach them how to write chicken, pork, beef, turkey, whatever, and how to put the dates on there, and all they have to do is slide it in and hit the right button. And it has for vacuum, you can for the, I guess that's for the jars, the express vac, and dry moist. I like it, and it's not going anywhere. If y'all remember, the other one I had to put suction cups on the bottom. And this one, you don't have to do that. You just slide it in, and it does everything for you. And let's pull out, let's see the box. It doesn't have a brand name per se that I see on there. Let me check the instructions real quick. The user manual, automatic vacuum sealer model V8111. Single sealing, dual sealing, external vacuum function. I think I said express and I meant external. Nope. Okay, folks, there you have it. The automatic vacuum sealer model V8111. I mean, I'd be kind of proud of that because it's a fairly cool machine and it works really well. I got it on Amazon. It was on sale. So if they still got it, I'll leave a link down in the bottom. With this one, it looks pretty safe and you can get the kids involved. Okay, I hope this helped you out and hope you, you know, if you're still looking for something to get someone for Christmas or whatever holiday you know you celebrate. I mean, it's small, but it's got some weight to it also, and you're not having to pick it up. Okay, so here I go. If you're in a warm place, go swimming, which it's not warm here. Hottest it's gotten in the last few days is 56 degrees. And if you're in a cold place, find a warm place to go swimming. You can't do that, throw some blankets on and snuggle up. Okay, y'all stay safe for now, and we'll see y'all soon. Love you.